Hello friends, good evening. Today I am coming up with a new topic in our accounting, which is a small feature but very important. So inside accounting, when we are dealing with any early payment discount, which we can offer via our payment terms, then those particular amount going into which account, because using early payment we can offer discount to our customer, as well we can have access to get a discount from our vendor. So over here what we have to do is we have to go inside configuration and go inside early payment discount setup. In this setup, you will see how I can set early discount gain account or early discount loss account. So gain means it will go into my income, and if I am making any early discount loss, then it will go into expenses. After setting this, what we can do is we can straight away go with our payment terms, which gives that particular early payment discount. So here, if you see, if I have a payment term 2 by 7, like 2% discount will be given on early payment if my invoice or vendor bill are paid within 7 days of date of invoice or bill. So this is my payment term, and here the tax can also be reduced on early payment. This feature is available. So over here a very good narration is given. If my amount is 1000 and the date is 13 May, then I will get 980 rupees as my final payment to customer or receive from customer or to vendor. So let's see how the impact are being calculated. So if I go to customer and register any new invoice for my customer, where I am putting 1000 as the final amount, and over here I am selecting early payment discount. As soon as I confirm, in the journal items we can enable those field, and we can see if payment is made within 7 days from date of invoice, like 13/5 is my today's date, and payment has to be made before 20th May, then I have to pay only or collect only 980 rupees. So let's say if I click over here and trying to collect my amount today, or maybe 14th or maybe 17th, amount will remain 980. As soon as I cross my amount or discount days on 21st, amount will automatically become 1000. So over here, let's say if I want to allow my customer to get the 2% early payment discount, and let's say I'm registering payment today itself and create payment, Odoo will register the payment. Now beauty of this module is when you go and open your cash journal entry, you will see three lines. One is the amount is going to cash, 980 will be debit, and account receivable will be credited 1000, but customer has paid only 980. Then rest 20 rupees will go into cash discount loss, because I am giving discount to customer and it is treated as an expense to me. Now the same way, if I am going into vendor bill, create any vendor bill for my vendors. Let's say I'm keeping 13 as the date, creating one line worth 10,000, and the payment terms is the discount payment terms, and I confirm. Then on journal item it will mention like with 2% due respect of my discount days. If I pay by 20th May, I have to pay to my vendor only 9,800 rupees. I am just making a payment today, and it will create a payment for me. And over here, the payment is not, so let me create a payment in cash, because cash channels are already configured. And then over here the payment entry will be there, And then in journal entry, my cash is 9,800, which I paid to my vendor, and my payable will be registered with $10,000, but rest 200 will be considered as early discount gain. So this will be considered as gain because I'm paying less to my vendor and it is going to be as a part of my income, while the payable account is settled directly over here. So with help of this small setting, you can even manage your profit and loss with a perfect cash discount loss and cash discount gain type of management, and you can register those things very easily over here inside Odoo. Hope this small setting will help many accountant and many user to even configure early payment discount with gain and loss setup so that your account will be accurate and you can get all the report in your profit and loss report under standard method. Thank you guys. Good day.